Yo, good morning, everyone. Smokes the Tokes is in here. And we got King Nene, and we got Swift Adrian, and we got Jason. Damn. Might as well end the stream right there. Alright, we're starting with BA because I have a put on this already, so we're going on the bias list first. Let's open up the notes. I said like all day yesterday, though, that I was going to swing a put. Wish my internet worked. All good. Alright, let's clear... No, I don't want to clear that chart because I like the lines I have. Descending triangle on the daily, 4 hour. What time frame did I go to for this one? So we had that flag rectangle right out of pre-market. I think I played part of this candle, scalped all the way to think about here, and then I got this for my swing because when I saw this, I was betting my chances on a swing. So I got 115 strike for next Friday. Who playing with my internet? Bro, EMPs. EMPs play with my internet. EMP is in electromagnetic pulses. Alright, so let's get here started on BA. I think if you're going to want to play calls, you're going to want to get it back above that one. I'm pretty much just going to say 120 because that's the trend line. That's that very strong trend line. I said strong trend line on... Yeah. Strong trend line on daily. What are y'all saying in here? Facebook hourly is interesting. Has support at 189.50 before it fills the gap to 196. Someone got that 15 kill streak on MW2. Damn, bro. I missed that game. I want to say... I don't know what to say for the break below, just because it hasn't been here in a while. Hasn't broke through that line once. First time it's poking its head out. And the only other time it did, it just went down the rest of the time, so... I might as well stick to like some psychological whole numbers, I guess. See, this was at 119. We're below this now. If we're at 118.60, we're just under this doji. We're pretty much doing this candle. So if that happens, that'll be cool, but we'll see. This is also an extended hours. So maybe I swing my put one more day or exit and re-enter. Alright, so on BA, I'm going to go with the psychological hold numbers. We're going to say break below 117.50. BAC. Damn, everything's sold. What about Beyond? Did she sell? Nope. Not enough. Perfect. Oh, we also got to remember Beyond's still above the gap range right now. Just kind of going with more aggressive pre-market high. And then a more passive break below because we're so extended already. So I'm going to... BAC. Will. I just look down and I see someone say, stupid speak to text. I hate this F star thing. Good morning, everybody. Oh, I forgot to take some trials away. Y'all got lucky. There's some trial members in there that shouldn't have access that have access right now. I don't really want to do BAC now. There we go. Well, I would say this line's pretty damn important. Everything looks like it's on the cusp of bleeding more. We need to just tad more confirmation, but that's what it looks like to me so far. Almost everything. Here on square, we're going to do those levels. I had to kind of back out the time frame to get a good low, just to make sure. Below. Actually, no, what's this? Just do 73. I like that level better. Make it a little tighter. So pretty much saying above 73, below 71.90. Just keep it a little safe. This is at 312.25. Below 308.50. Let's go check out AMD. Let's go check out Facebook. Then I'll go check out SPY. Mac 11. I really like this level. Kind of no explanation needed there, as you can see. 52 5250 looks like what I want to see it get above before I see it getting bullish again, though. Again, there's a flag where I marked it. There's some jump rope. This looks just like this is the NVIDIA chart. We're looking at the NVIDIA chart. Look, you see all the circles I made? And then I was pretty much choosing pre-market low to do on NVIDIA, and then I didn't do these levels. See, I did it more aggressive on that one, and I chose the level down here for AMD, so we'll see how that works out. See which one does better. I guess you could say we're doing that intentionally now. Yeah, wait up, Jack. Wait till, just wait. NVIDIA is about to blow up, I promise. It's going to be awesome. It might even be today, to be honest. Well, honestly, we got to be careful, though, because market will bring it down. No matter what. Let's just say 5130. Facebook. What you looking at today, Jack? Ooh, okay, clean. Glad I came to Facebook. These are all intraday levels, by the way. I'm not choosing anything different. Alright, so we got BA, Beyond, Square, NVIDIA, AMD, Facebook. Let's go check out a few crazy ones. We already did Beyond. Let's go check out Tesla, Netflix. Oh, it's kind of already below its little range. So I might have to do a like 770. Market's going to be crazy today. That's all I know. Looking through these crazy charts. I'm kind of just reading through some of the comments here. Tesla's already looking super bearish and ready to drop. More than any other chart so far. Oh, yeah, I'm saying below 763.30, and then I'm marking previous day low. We're about to go to Netflix and then check out SPY. Oh, Microsoft. My bad, Adrian. I didn't even think about that. Alright, hold up. Netflix real quick, then Microsoft and SPY. Ooh, I'm glad we came back to Netflix. This is going to be nice. And then we're going to have to save the retest of that. And then we're going to do our... Perfect. I really like these levels because you got your shoulders here as your resistance here on your pre-market high practically. This happened before a bigger move up. This happened before a move down. Kind of the same leg of the same move. It's very parallel here. It's very mirror-like. When you put a mirror here, this is the same side, just different move. slight resistance here the whole way. Pre-market low. So you got your pre-market high range. Yeah, I really like these levels. And then I'm going to have to mark this level because that was yesterday's high. It's another crucial level. Above 442.65. Watch for previous day high at 447. Below 437. Oh, you're talking about Tesla. I just saw King Nene's comment. Yeah, Tesla Ray is. I just call him Tesla. I don't even call him by his name. I just call him Tesla. Because that man doesn't need to trade any other stock. Could literally trade the same stock every single day. He'd make it. People would probably think that's crazy. Damn, he trades Tesla every day. Yeah, and he kicks his ass every day. I like that level. It's aggressive, but I like it. Because you got this little jump rope happening before it decided to pop back up into the extended hours. It made one good size extended hours candle here on pre-market. At that level. I don't know. I need to be a little cautious today if I'm going to do any break above. I should just do pre-market high. Just be smart. Just watch for strong bounces off these levels if this is a true overextension of this sell-off. Be very weary if you play any calls or anything, but yeah. Below 176.70. Then we'll go to SPY. Well, good thing you said that, David. Well, wait a minute. Wonder if AMD will follow. SPY's picking up a little. $315's new break above. Let's go do SPY now. I'm pretty much going to say pre-market lows, you break below. This would be a very aggressive break above. I'm not going to mark that on the list, but if you're in here and want to know that, that'd be a very aggressive break above if you're trying to get in for a scalp. Because I'm more of a scalper than anything, but that would work. $278. Not a whole lot of notes, but I did at least highlight or talk about why I did what I did on each line. Alright, I'm going to drop these listen chats. So you guys see why each level was chosen. I go play them. If you don't, or at least want to go review it with me later, then I'll be posting my watch list review after market close today. What are you crazy saying in here now? Oh, that's all I got on that. And JMJ is heading towards that strong support at 145, I think, today. Momentum's starting to pick back up a hair, but not much. I don't like a J&J a whole lot. I did used to look at them for dividends. Let's go check out BA again. Still down. McDonald's? Damn, McDonald's at 170? Alright. I can work with that. Might be shorting. I hate to say it because I love McDonald's, but we might be shorting McDonald's very soon. I don't mean the food, I mean the stock. I love the stock. I don't necessarily love the food. That's a nice little range. You might see McDonald's go return to the 150s before we see it bounce back again. Oh, there's a nice actual gap range here. Good morning, Holy Fire. What's up, Smokes? 30 minutes ago, news hit Trump said we could cut off whole relationship with China. God, that'd be the... We're in crazy times, people. That'd be kind of cool, though. Trump would be the president that would need to be doing that, so that'd be... If we were to do that, it'd be now. Thank you for that. TUS Mobile have an update. Looks a lot cleaner this morning. Let me look. No way. That'd be kind of cool. Oh, mine's still the same boring app. Got me all excited for nothing. Damn, I got some ET puts to hedge my shares, and they're looking good. Hey, I got 650 puts yesterday, but like 10 of them. Just gonna hold them. Might trim half here, but they literally are just for protection, so it'd be nice to have some money come from them. Good morning, Bert. You'd be proud of me, Holy Fire. I'd called out that BA swing, and it's actually gonna pay. I got that thing like way up here. I did the scalp in the middle of all this, and I said nah, and then because I just had a Friday expiration, I didn't have anything crazy to hold me up, so I got out of that one at like pretty good percentage actually, because my contract didn't eat me up at all. Sold that, and I got in my swing about like right here, 122s. Oh wait, in case anybody didn't see, I do really like this chart. I didn't include this information, but I wanted to get my point across. It's looking so freaking bearish. It doesn't even matter what's going on news-wise as well. I mean, it does matter, but lately it hasn't been. If a plane was to crash right now, this thing would rally for some reason. How's John Deere doing? Damn, this used to... Whoa. This used to be like a really, really good stock I was in. Damn, poor John Deere. This is actually insane prices to get this stock at, though. Like, that's insane. I was buying this thing in this range. I probably had shares in the 170s. IBM. That's another one John Deere reminds me of. IBM still doing its thing. That sucks. What was a few other ones that we were looking at? This will be one of the strong recovery stocks in my opinion. PSA, WM, to be a good one. KO is always my favorite. ET, of course. This poor thing. By the way, ACB is not back to 5. It got reverse split for anyone who doesn't know. To a 1 to 12. That's insane. Normally, after those happen, this continues to happen. This will probably happen 3 more times. Pot stocks really need actual legit laws passed to get them rallying again. And these companies themselves need to be placed in positions that'll actually profit after those said laws are passed. I want wheat stocks to do just as good as anyone else does, but that's straight facts. BAC looking just like the ACB chart. On the 5 minute at least. I should have kept my BAC shorts. That would have been good. Damn, it's a strong line right there, and it passed it. You got all those candles on it. I'm on the daily. That's 6 days sitting on that line. 7 days. And now you're passing through it. Might have a fat red candle pop up on BAC today. Good morning, Cam. If it's okay if you're late. You can always go back and look through all this if you want. Skim through the stream. Yeah, and momentum here is picking up as it's crossing right under that line. I think BAC is about to poop. You might see this big red candle. Don't remind me of LK. I keep forgetting I typed this on this chart. I typed this along, like as soon as this red candle happened, I typed this, and then all this happened. It's gonna get off this. It's probably gonna get delisted. As should be too. You don't lie about your income and your profits and all the stuff on your sheets, all your income sheets. Nah. I mean, there's probably a lot of companies lying about it too that aren't caught, but just saying. Speaking of LK, what's Baba doing? It was a nice gap range right here. Extended hours of that day. Which is right under the range it's on top of now. Alright, let's go see what SPY is doing. We only got 10 minutes. As a chart should be. I don't think I ever used VWAP, but thought I'd turn it on because it is kind of nice to watch the middle line. I might take off this line and this line. I kind of only use this line. This just kind of like double confirms your trend, but I already kind of use the bottoming of this to tell me that. Or you can use it on MACD as well. Look at all those cells. We're looking so bearish at market open right now. Yeah, screw the 1 minute. That hurts my eyes just looking at that nowadays. Should never watch that chart. Favorite time frames are definitely the 5 minute by a long shot. The 10 minute, that'd be my second favorite. Third favorite's probably the 15 minute for intraday. I mean, that's literally the only three I think I ever click through for during the day. Yeah, I mean, whenever I get adventurous and want to see some other price history, or I just want to see what's going on around the bigger picture, then I'll go check out the 4 hour, the 1 hour, and the daily. You know, sometimes the weekly, but never get stuck on just one time frame. And I promise you, you will lose a lot of money if you just stare at the 1 minute. Now, people like my friend Dylan, who are really good at scalping with Ichimoku Cloud, like that used to be a strategy I used to use too. I mean, then the 1 minute's fine because you have so much to look at, but I still don't agree with it. I promise you, your stronger confirmations and everything will come from the 5 minute and up. So 1 minute's way too choppy. Especially in your beginning stages, you want to get used to that more patient candle because then it's going to help you in your trading be more patient. You're not going to be as crazy with everything. You're not going to be as emotional. Damn. Holy Fire is my news plug. I also noticed the volume and started slowing down. As should be. That's nothing out of the ordinary. But it is while we're rising, so that's why I thought it was kind of weird. Emotions are bad, Makai. So when looking for confirmation to stick to the 5-minute, yeah. I don't ever get off the 5-minute. I promise you that 1 minute. If any of you ever have problems like exiting too early or entering way too late, I promise you it's because you're on the 1 minute. Emotions are bad, Makai. Little under 4 minutes till market open. Yeah, I just noticed the VWAP lines are almost my levels. Which is funny because every time, I don't remember his name, he'd always have VWAP on. Yeah, I'm going to be in the live chat. I just wasn't in yesterday morning because my internet was out. But it's okay. I think Nerdy Bicep and John took care of it for a little bit in the morning. And the voice chats in the morning aren't supposed to be like people relying on us for callouts. It's just us to be there in the hot times. Because, the very beginning, like hour and a half, almost 2 hours is super hot. And then the last hour to, last 30 minutes to an hour is super hot. So we'd like to be there for that because that's where all the movement really is. But it's still good to go in there and see if any of the mods go in there and talk. It used to be available for everyone to talk, but since we grew kind of fast, I didn't want it to get super hectic. It was already getting hectic before we got more people in chat. Definitely try to bring the Zoom meetings back, but we'll see. Or whatever kind of meetings. There's a bunch of things we're working on. It's going to be fun for chat. I think I'm going to let this run till market open and then I'll end the stream. If you could drop a like on the stream, that'd be awesome. I appreciate everyone here. But I'll see you guys on the market. Just going to leave this up till market opens just for anyone who wants to tune in real quick or didn't catch a certain level. I'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for being here.